Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So this is your maths class. Open your maths book and open volume 2. Book name Maths Field and volume 2. So beta, open the page number 8. Page number 8. And the topic is more and less. Topic is more and less. I want to play a game with you. I want to play a game with you. In this game, I will show you 2 containers with marble in them. You have to tell me which container has more marble. तो बेटा आज हम एक गेम खेलेंगे. आपको 2 कंटेनर शो हो रहे हैं, राइट? एक कंटेनर में बहुत ज़्यादा मार्बल्स हैं और एक में बहुत कम मार्बल्स हैं, ठीक है? Then you have to tell me which container has more marble. First of all, the topic is more and less. More means ज़्यादा and less means कम, right? So beta, 2 containers are here. Okay, one container full of marble, but another one container is less of marbles. ठीक है? So आप बेटा मुझे ये बताएंगे कि which container has more marbles, in this or in this container? In this container? No. In this container has more marbles. More means ज़्यादा and less means कम, right? So there is a fair in Rainbow Jungle. Chiku is very excited to be there. He goes to a popcorn stall. So listen carefully, and this is Chiku. There is a fair in a rainbow jungle, and Chiku is very excited to be there, right? He goes to a popcorn stall. वो पॉपकॉर्न के स्टॉल पर जाता है और वो बहुत एक्साइटेड है. There are 2 tubes of popcorn. Chiku wants to buy the tub with more popcorn. चीकू चाहता है कि उसे पॉपकॉर्न का टब बहुत ज़्यादा वाला मिले, राइट? देन आपको क्या करना है बेटा? सर्कल द टब यू थिंक ही विल चूज. सर्कल द टब यू थिंक ही विल चूज. वो कौन से वाला टब चाहता था? जिसमें मोर पॉपकॉर्न्स हो, राइट? तो आप जिसमें मोर पॉपकॉर्न्स है उस टब को सर्कल करेंगे. एवरीबडी लाइक पॉपकॉर्न्स, राइट? सो जिसमें ज़्यादा, मोर मीन्स ज़्यादा पॉपकॉर्न्स है, आप उस टब को सर्कल करेंगे. After enjoying the popcorn, he goes ahead and comes across a stall of bananas. He wants to buy a few bananas for his mother. After enjoying the popcorn को enjoy करने के बाद he goes ahead and come across a stall of banana. वो banana के stall पर जाता है, right? Here is Chiku and he come to across a stall of banana. He wants to buy a few bananas for his mother. वो bananas किसके लिए लेना चाहता था? अपनी मम्मा के लिए, mother के लिए, right? He wants to carry the bunch with less number of bananas. He wants to carry the bunch of less number of bananas. So bunch चाहता था वो bananas का, but less number of banana, right? वो bunch लेना चाहता था but less means कम, more means ज़्यादा. तो बेटा आपको यहाँ पे tick on the bunch that he should choose. आपको टिक करना है the bunch that he should choose. So next page number 10. He is still feeling hungry, so he decides to have a few oranges. He is still feeling hungry. उसको बहुत भूख लग रही थी और वो अपने आप को hungry फील कर रहा था. So he decided to have a few oranges. तो उसने क्या डिसाइड किया कि few oranges, right? थोड़े से oranges ले लिए जाएं. Then इसमें आपको क्या करना है बेटा? Circle the basket which has less number of oranges. circle the basket which has less number of oranges. Less number आपको oranges के basket वाला tick करना है. ठीक है. Now his tummy is full by now, but the ice cream at a stall looked tempting. He wants to have a little bit of it. He wants to have a little bit of it. His tummy is full by now. अब उसका tummy बिल्कुल full हो गया. But the ice cream at the stall looks tempting. But उसको ice cream खाने का बहुत मन था. He wants to have a little bit of it. वो थोड़ी सी आइसक्रीम लेना चाहता था. Little bit of it. So बेटा, tick on the ice cream that is less for Chiku to choose. तो आपको क्या करना है, इन दोनों आइसक्रीम में से लेस वाली लेस फॉर चीकू टू चूज, जिसको चीकू चूज करना चाहता था मीन्स लिटिल बिट लेस, वो बहुत थोड़ी सी चाहता था. ठीक है, तो आप इन दोनों में से उसे टिक करेंगे, लेस वाली को. ठीक है बेटा. सो दिस इज अ टॉपिक अबाउट मोर एंड लेस, राइट. एंड इन दिस स्टोरी more and less, right? More means ज़्यादा and less means कम. Here is Chiku. Everybody see Chiku, right? And in Chiku's hand, softy, right? Softy. So beta, this is Chiku, right? And the topic about more and less. More means ज़्यादा and less means कम. ठीक है? So it's all about today. Bye bye and take care.